Good morning children, welcome back to social class. As we are in our which lesson, which block? 17th block on Earth and its neighbor, right? So today we are going to start our LP2. So let's see what we can learn in our LP2. So here I have wrote something on the board, just read it out, okay? You give us light and make us grow at dawn and sunset. Well, you hang real low, you are a star closest by far. Godness gracious, great balls of fire. Again, you give us light. You give us what? You give us light and make us grow. At dawn and sunset, well, you hang real low. You are a star, a closest by far. Godness gracious, great balls of fire. Can anyone tell that whom I am talking about? Who is a star that is very near to us and who help us to grow and who gives us light at dawn and day? I am talking about whom? Can anyone tell? Yes, I am talking about a sun. Sun is a star, right? So today we are going to learn about sun and why sun is a star and what is the importance of sun in our universe. Okay children, so let's begin our lesson. Okay children, let's start. So why we need a sun? What is the importance of sun in our lives? Okay, now tell me, can you imagine without a sun? Can we able to live without a sun? Yes? No. We can't live without sun, right? If there is no sun, can we able to see in the dark? How it will be? The earth will become very dark, right? So we need sun only to see things in the light? No. Sun also gives us a warm feeling, right? And it also provides energy. And without sun, we are not able to live because we are interdependent and directly dependent on the sun. We get not only light and we get energy from the sun. And who are the most dependent on the sun? Yes, plants. Who are those? Plants are the living things which are dependent on the sun mostly. Why? Because they prepare food from the sunlight, right? I think you already know about the photosynthesis, right? So by taking the energy from the sun, plants make their own food, right? And who are we? We also dependent on the plants. Don't we eat plants? And we get oxygen from the plants also. So if there is no sun, there are no plants. If there are no plants, there are no humans. I think you already have a food chain in the 3rd class science book, right? So plants are like on the plants we are all interdependent, and plants are dependent on whom? The sun, right? And apart from that, in how many ways we can use the sun? If you want to dry your clothes, if they are wet, how you will dry? Yes, by using the sunlight. You will dry your wet clothes in the sunlight. If it is a very winter season, which thing you needed most? Yes, sun we needed most because sun also gives us a good warmth feeling and energy. Because of the sun heat, we'll feel very energy. And apart from that, what are the other purpose that we use sun? If there is no sun, can we get rains? No. Sun is the only one star which helps to evaporate the water on the earth and it makes the clouds. When rainy season comes, the clouds will give us again rains, right? So, because of the sun we are getting oxygen, because of the sun we are getting rain. If there is no sun, we can't live. That's why sun is very important to humans and as well as plants also, right? Okay, let's learn about a sun. What is a sun and the importance of the sun, okay? Okay children, now let's talk about a sun. Okay, what is a sun exactly? A sun is a star. Why it is a star? Because it has its own light. How it gets light? Because sun is a big star. By its own lighting, it's getting its own light because it has a huge ball of gases. What is it? It's a huge ball of gases. Do you know which gases are available in the sun? Yes, we call them as a helium. What are those gases? Hydrogen and helium. That two gases makes the sun burn. Do you know how much temperature it has? Do you know how much temperature? Yes, 5500 degrees Celsius temperature it has. Even in, have you ever observed in summer, even if we are getting 45 only, we'll have burnings on our skin. Just imagine, if you have to reach the sun, you have to face 5500 degrees Celsius. That much heat it produces because of the hydrogen and helium gases. So just imagine, can we able to go near to the sun? No. Even if you try to go to reach the sun, you will immediately burn yourself into ashes. That much powerful the sun is. And even though we are the nearest to sun is a star which has very near to the earth. Do you know how much far distance we have between sun and earth? It's 150 million kilometers. It is 150 million kilometers, and sun is a star which is the nearest to earth comparing to all other stars. Okay, Nana, and do you know how much big the sun is? If you have 1 million earth planets with you, you can put 1 million small earths into this sun. That much huge gas ball it is a sun, right? That much huge big ball the sun is. If you have 1 million earths, you can keep in the sun. Okay, so why we need a sun? Because it gives not only warmth and light, it is also very important for the plants and humans, because the plants are dependent to make their food, and as well as also they will grow because of the sun, and we are dependent on both sun and as well as plants, because we get oxygen from the plants. If there are no plants, we can't survive, right? And because of the sun, we are getting energy and we are getting light. We feel very warm. And also another purpose what we can use nowadays, we are using the sun power as a solar energy, right? Nowadays we can see on our common roads also some solar energy vehicles are also going, and we also have in our school solar system, right? And so many people are using those solar system, and they are making food also, and they are running their vehicles also, right? So I think you all understood the lesson, right? So everyone please open your volume. Okay children, now please open your volume, and we are in which page, Nana? We are in page number 6, and we are in lesson block 17, Earth and its neighbors. Now complete your S2, the sun. Change the circle to a sun. Write a few words to describe the sun. Okay, so how you can change this simple circle into sun? Yes, just put sun rays. Okay, and after that, why is the sun important to us? You know, if there is no sun, can we survive? And what are the reasons why we need sun? You just write your own answers, okay? Now, third question. Imagine there was no sun, how would it affect life on the earth? If there is no sun at all, how would it affect life on the earth? Life means who? Plants, animals and humans. How it will be affect? Okay, you know the answers very well, right? So just give your answers and send through WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.